Welcome to AAI Oriental Mix. Today we'll make a healthy Lebanese homemade bread with bell peppers. Let's go! In a bowl, add 75 ml of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Take a bell pepper, wash it, and cut it in slices. While doing it, remove all the seeds. Take back your dough and add the bell pepper slices. Knead well for incorporating the bell pepper. And then add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Knead for incorporating all the ingredients. Shape the dough like a ball for help it rising. Put it inside a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap or a towel. Then store it in a dry and warm place, like an oven turned off. Let it rest from 3 to 12 hours depending if you use dry yeast or sourdough. Put a sprinkle of flour on the table. And take back your dough and look how much it has risen. If it's too sticky, just add some flour. Divide it in 2 portions. Now flatten the dough by pushing and stretching in 8 directions, like so. And now shape it like a ball. Do the same for the other dough and let these balls rest for 10 minutes. Take back 1 dough ball, put some flour on top of it, and flour also a rolling pin. Now roll out the ball into a flat disc until it's about 1 centimeter thick, and make sure it doesn't stick. If it does, just add some flour. Let the discs rest for 10 minutes. Now heat a pan over medium-low heat, and once hot, put a bread disc inside. Flip it to the other side when you see it's ready. It is about 30 seconds for 4 times. And once the bread is hot, cover it with a towel to keep it warm, and repeat the process with the other bread discs. Finally, our bread is ready! It's very soft to the touch and it smells amazing. And it tastes delicious and healthy. Shukran for watching. Leave a comment about your slimming journey. We'd love to hear your progress. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next healthy bread recipes. And I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. With love and Maraka, Chef Ciano and Coach Murad.